A lot of you have been asking for the recipe to my chicken dish that I shared the other night on my Facebook page. I'm going to call Steve's Corona Chicken. And so here's the recipe and also the method on how to make it. Here's what we've got so far. Put some olive oil, using some garlic, a couple of cloves of garlic, chili pepper, just get a bit of flavour. Put in red and green pepper, and I just added some kidney beans and cannellini beans. Just used a couple of tins I got from the supermarket because it's just for ease of use. Okay, so about to add some chicken. You can add some loads of other veg. Normally add some broccoli, but I forgot to get some. And a lot of supermarkets just now are short of them. So doing with what we've got. So we've got that. I'm going to add the chicken and just put it on a low heat because otherwise if you put it to, if the heat's too high, then you're likely to burn the chili pepper. It's just going to stick the place out and you'll be coughing up. So let's get the chicken in and just let it all mix together. Prefer to use a kind of fresh chicken rather than like the ready-made kind of cooked chicken because that tends to be very dry and soon it kind of distorts it. I don't know, it doesn't taste the same. So just cook the chicken, put a bit of seasoning on it when I cooked it, and so now cooking it in with the flavours of the chilli, so it's getting everything in together. So cook it on a wee bit for that, then add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. So there we go, it's all in the pot, chicken, the tin tomatoes, add a wee bit of seasoning and a wee dash of red wine and a bit of Worcester sauce just to add to the flavour. Okay, so I'm just now going to put this on a low heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, then job done. And there we go, all served up into, actually 7 trays, so that's cool. So that'll just be, once it cools a little bit, and just put the lids on and tubs and stick them in the freezer. Good luck with making the dish yourself. Feel free to add more flavours, more ingredients if you need to. Okay, create your own dish from this. And good luck with it and let me know how you get on. If you've got any questions, just let me know. Enjoy.